Hello everyone, my name is Maxwell, Charity Director of To Live in Hope. The building of water well has started, and soon children and staff at the school will have access to safe drinking water. InHealth provide healthcare solutions and recognize the importance of clean and safe environments. Sumillion and InHealth are committed to make positive change in the communities. Bringing clean water to communities can help make healthier and safe environment for children to grow and thrive. We are proud to be part of this project to make positive impact on the planet. Thank you for your continual support. See you in our next video.